Hey tech enthusiast, got some juicy leaks for you today about the upcoming iQOO 13. If you're as excited as I am about this new flagship, stick around. First things first, let's talk price. According to a recent report by Gizmo China, the iQOO 13 is expected to hit the Indian market with a price tag of around Rs 55,000 for the base storage variant. For context, the iQOO 12 launched at Rs 52,999 for the 12GB plus 256GB model, so we're looking at a slight bump up in price, but let's see if the specs justify it. Now, when can you get your hands on it? The same report suggests that the iQOO 13 will likely be launched in India between December 1st and December 10th. This is right after its announcement in China. This timeline closely matches the launch of the iQOO 12 last year, so it seems pretty plausible. Alright, let's dive into the specs. The iQOO 13 is rumored to feature a stunning 6.7-inch 2K 144Hz AMOLED display. Unlike its predecessor, this one will sport a bow-made panel. Expect vibrant colors and smooth scrolling, perfect for gaming and media consumption. Under the hood, it's anticipated to pack the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC. This is a step up from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 found in the iQOO 12. The Gen 4 chipset is also expected to power other flagship devices like the OnePlus 13 and Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so you know it's going to be a powerhouse. When it comes to memory and storage, the iQOO 13 will likely offer up to 16GB RAM and 512GB of internal storage. This matches what we saw with the iQOO 12, giving you plenty of room for apps, games, and media. Moving on to the cameras. The iQOO 13 is expected to feature a triple 50MP camera setup, including a main camera, an ultra-wide sensor, and a 2x telephoto sensor. It's a bit of a change from the 50MP plus 50MP plus 64MP configuration on the iQOO 12, but it should still deliver high-quality shots. Battery life is getting an upgrade too. The iQOO 13 might house a 6 150 mAh battery, up from the 5000 mAh in the iQOO 12. However, fast charging support is rumored to be 100W, which is a bit of a downgrade from the 120W on the iQOO 12. Still, 100W is nothing to scoff at. Other notable features: expect an IP68 water and dust resistance rating, a light strip design on the rear, and an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. A lot of premium touches here. Remember, all these details are based on leaks and iQOO hasn't confirmed anything yet, so take it with a grain of salt. We'll have to wait a few more weeks or months for the official specs and price. That's all for now, folks. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for notifications. Catch you in the next one. Techdevil watermark text.